Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, How to Get Out of Debt. I am Wanza Leftwich. This channel is all about getting out of debt. I'm so excited. I did a video the other day, and I'm going to put the link down below so you can go see it. I have a great resource for those of you who would like to make extra money online. You may have a book that you're trying to sell, or something that you can put together actually really quickly and sell on this site. So the site is called PayHip, and in the comments section, rather, you can get the link to sign up. I'm also going to put the link of the previous video where it shows you how to sign up. This is a fabulous tool. So on this video, I want to show you how, you know how people say the money is in the list, or perhaps this is your first time researching how to start your own email list and your own customer base. Right here in PayHip, you can do this for absolutely free. It is amazing. Did you hear me? You can do this for free. So you don't need a separate tool. You can do this in PayHip. Once you upload your product and begin selling, PayHip will help you. How do you say it? I'm sorry, guys. Listen, this is real life, right? I'm on video. It helps you gather email addresses. So here we go. So once you make a sale, if you go up here to your customers, the customer tab, you will see right here it says customers, and this account is for test purposes only. I actually do have my own PayHip account where I make sales, but I don't want to show anyone's information. So I'm using a dummy account for this video. So right here, once you make a sale, your customer's email address will be listed. Not only will their email address be listed, but it also shows you what products they bought and how much they spent, right? So not only do you have your email address, but you can export the list. You'll see a little button that says export. You can export it to your computer, and perhaps if you already have an email list started somewhere else, you can just upload these customers to your email list over there. But if you do not have one, let me show you how great this PayHip system is. So you have your list of customers here and what they bought. But right here where it says email updates, look at this, y'all. You click here and you press new email update, right? Boom. You can send emails to all of your customers right here through the back office of PayHip. So you can send an email to all of your customers, or you can be more specific, get this, and only send to customers who bought your product. 5 ways to monetize your devotional. You can have 5 ways to this, that, and the other. You can have 10 products, and if you only want to talk to those who bought a certain product, it will list them individually here, and you can contact those people. So you can write your subject line, you write your message. If you need to send the download link again, you can also do that. It gives you instructions on how to do that. And you can also send a test email. Oh my goodness. You're talking about for free. Did I tell you it's free to sign up for PayHip? Make sure you click the link that's in the comment section and get your free account. You do not pay any monthly fees for PayHip. Now listen, you not only are you able to sell, but you're also able to create an email list and email your customer base for free. You only pay with PayHip when you make a sale, a small transaction fee. Trust me, you won't even miss it. So compare this to $19.99 a month. $29.99 a month, $97 a month email systems, which are great, but I'm so excited, I'm stuttering, y'all. The point of an email list is to contact your customers, right? Keep that relationship going. And so while you are getting out of debt, use the basic system here found here in PayHip. You're not paying anything extra out of pocket. In fact, you are actually have the ability to increase your income because you're not paying anything upfront. There are no monthly fees, and you can still contact your customer base and build that relationship. And every time you get a new product, you can let them know that there's a new product here. It's amazing. It's amazing. I know it's amazing. So sign up for PayHip. The link is in the comments below. We're all about getting out of debt, and the best way to get out of debt is to increase your income so you can pay off that debt faster. I'm Wanza Leftwich, and if you want to know more about me, certainly all of my links are in the comments. Make sure you press the subscribe button so you can be notified of when I upload new videos on this channel, and also press the bell button. It will notify you immediately that there's a new strategy on the How to Get Out of Debt channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you on the next video.